Everyone, this is the AKASO OTG goggles that I received. Haven't unboxed it yet, as you can see. Comes with a nice decorative packaging. Pretty impressive for the price point. Really nice casing here. You pull it out like this. Alright. There's the goggles. Nice little protective cover for the goggles, along with a plastic layer that you can bring the goggles right out. Alright. Remove this paper, and here are the goggles. Got the, I think these are the 11%, not 100% sure, but it looks really nice. Really nice strap. Well, here you go, guys. And I got the replacement lens for these for $19 on Amazon. These are for night skiing. So it's very easy to remove this lens. It's a magnetic lens, so you just pull and the magnets release, and then you just slide in with the same matching piece to the frame of the goggles. You just click it in like that, and there you go. You're good for night skiing. Thanks for watching.